Hello viewers, today I present to you the top 10 smallest birds here in Nairobi. Take a look. Number 10, the grey-backed Camaroptera is a short-tailed slim warbler with olive green wings and grey underparts, with distinctive red eyes. Number 9, the chin-spot Bati. This bird measures about 4 inches in length. The males have broad black breastbands, as you can see there. The females have chin spots. This bird is widespread in wooded habitats. The chin spot Bati. Number 8, the red-cheeked Cordon Bleu. This bird measures about 4.5 inches in length. It's a slim, long-tailed, pretty waxbill with pale brown upperparts and blue underparts with tail. This bird is commonly found in a wide variety of habitats, mostly found on the undergrowth, feeding on insects and grass seeds. It's such a pretty bird over there. This is the female, missing the red cheeks. Such a pretty bird. Number 7, the Kikuyu White Eye is a sharp-billed warbler-like bird with olive green upperparts and yellow underparts, with a broad white distinctive eye ring. This bird measures about 4.5 to 4.7 inches in length. It's normally found in bushes and thickets, feeding on insects. It's such a pretty bird over there. Such a cute pair there. Number 6, the African citrine. This bird measures about 4.5 inches in length. It's mostly found on highlands, forest, and woodlands, mostly on marshes, feeding on flowers and sometimes seeds. The males have distinctive black-faced masks, as you can see there. They are streaky on their backs and yellow underneath. It's a cute bird over there. Number 5, the village Indigo Bird is a parasitic bird that lays its eggs on the red-billed firefinch. The males are glossy black with pink legs and a shiny bill, as you can see there. This bird measures about 4 inches in length. It is commonly found in moist habitats near dwellings, where it normally feeds on grass seeds. Such a pretty bird over there. The other one on the right is the female. The females resemble pink-tailed white-up females. The streaky on their upper parts and plain white underneath. Number 4. The tawny-flanked prenia is an active and strict warbler with a long graduated tail that is sometimes cocked. It's got a white superciliary stripe with a... The purple grenadier is a red-billed cinnamon violet finch that measures about 5.25 inches. This bird is fairly common in thickets and bushes, normally found on the ground feeding on grass seeds. It's such a spectacular bird over there. Number 2. The bronze mannequin. This is a tiny darkish bird with a black head and a two-toned large bill. This bird measures about 3.5 inches in length. It's commonly found in open habitats, feeding on grass seeds. Number 1. The red-billed firefinch. This is a beautiful ground feeder that measures about 3.5 to 3.7 inches in length. The males are brown washed underneath with a brighter red tail. This bird normally feeds on grass seeds and sometimes insects. It's also found in streams of water. The female is on the left there. It's brown on the upper part. With a rose red bill, as you can see there. Such a cute bird over there. Wow. You see the tail is bright red there. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.